Is it better to trade or invest in an ETF? Let's find out. While ETFs can be traded like stocks, the question is, should you be trading in ETFs or investing in them? The right strategy depends on your risk appetite, profit expectations, and preferred investment tenure. It is important to note that you would only be able to day trade or swing trade in an ETF that has a liquid market. A good way to get an idea about the liquidity of an ETF is to check its AUM, assets under management. The greater the AUM, the better is the liquidity of the fund. Day trading or swing trading increases the total number of positions you open in the market, could possibly increase your risk. It requires a certain level of skill and experience to be able to earn consistent profits from trading an ETF. So, if you lack the knowledge required for trading, investing in an ETF would be the right choice for you. Trading allows you to capitalize on small to medium price movements of the ETF. Though you can do this multiple times and significantly increase your profits, your probability of making a loss increases as well. Investing, on the other hand, has lower expenses as you limit the number of times you pay the brokerage. Furthermore, investing allows you to capture the larger price movements of the ETF. If you wish to give a boost to your monthly income, you can consider trading in an ETF. However, if your investment goal is to build a financial corpus that can support the education expenses of your child or any long-term investment goal, trading an ETF may not be the best option. Such long-term goals require you to invest in an ETF. Trading the units of an ETF will help you give boost to your monthly income. Investing in an ETF will help you fulfill your long-term financial goals. The right investment strategy for you depends on your tolerance of risk, expectations of profit, and the preferred investment tenure.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from HDFC Securities. To watch all the episodes, click on the link in description.